Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to 광 channel analytics. She has uploaded 118 videos. She now has 598k subscribers with a total view of 27,087,186 views. Her channel type is comedy. She created her channel since June 23, 2017. The grade she got is B, and she ranked at 1,874th in comedy. Next, the daily subs for 광 is around 1.16k with a daily view of 65,228. Now let's talk about how much money is she making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 65,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $260. Then, monthly income will be $7,800. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $4,290 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $51,480. That is how much 광 earns from YouTube.